All right, guys, welcome back to the Wicked Kitchen. I'm gonna show you today how to make this amazing, wicked Asian style coleslaw. It is gonna wow everybody you serve it to, including you. Stay tuned. All right, for this recipe, we're taking it up a few notches. I've heard somebody say that before, but we're making it wicked. This is gonna be all wicked, all in. We're gonna do kind of an Asian style, so I really enjoy the Pan-Asian style flavors. So we have some Napa cabbage here. I have some regular cabbage. I have some bean sprouts. Thank God I found some of these in the store. And also some pre-shredded carrots, because I don't have the time nor the energy, and I really just don't have a mandolin to do it like this, but I like them like this for the Asian one. I have a little bit of vegan mayonnaise, some purple cabbage for color and crunch. And then I also have some chilies, some sriracha, some sesame oil, celery salt, and salt and pepper. And then a little bit of mint for that secret surprise ingredient. Right now, we have pea pods. I don't want to have them in like this. You can leave them like this, but I like to shred it all. So it also stretches the pea pods. It's a good way to do this for any dish you're adding pea pods if you want, if you have the time, is just to really quickly give a quick julienne. It's a good time to practice some knife skills. You guys know how to hold your hand like this. You'll never get cut with your making the claw. It's the famous claw. I'm gonna watch, I'll jinx myself here in this video. It's really good if you hum while you're chopping. You can make any kind of noises, scream, sing your favorite song, do your favorite mantras. Just get the shit done. Okay. Done, perfect. So it's a good example of having all your mise en place set up in front of you just so you can just jump right into a recipe. Big bowl. I have sugar here. So I'm using real sugar. It's powdered sugar. I'll have to break that up so I get a little bit here. It's probably 4 or 5 tablespoons powdered sugar. All right, so I'm just gonna add some rice wine vinegar right to this until it dissolves. Just a little bit and mix it up. I want the sugar to dissolve. You can use granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want, but I want it dissolving. I don't want it to be gritty. So you're gonna wanna let it sit if you use granulated sugar. I wouldn't use much stronger sugars than that. You can use liquid sugars, you can use agaves, you can use maple. I'm going for the vegan ones, so that's it. Okay, so it's just sweet, the acidic, sweet, a little bit more vinegar. I'm gonna add it's about a ½ teaspoon of the celery salt. I am gonna scoop in the sriracha. Make sure you get all that in, and any left over, don't waste it. That, I have the vegan mayo. So it's about a coffee cup full, because I don't know the grams. I don't have a digital scale here. We just want to make it so it's creamy. You're just gonna whisk that right in. All right, you see it coming together. It's a nice pinkish color from the sriracha. Don't let it fool you. It is nice and flavorful, spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, probably 2 tablespoons, just for flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Black pepper, pinch. All right. So it's nice, creamy. This is a great salad dressing on its own. I'm gonna add a little bit more vinegar. And you know, I am gonna add, just for fun, a lime. So just a quick squeeze of the lime. Give it that extra fresh bit. A little bit more of an acid kick. It's great, smells delicious. The limes are awesome. And the mint. So, For this bit, I'm gonna add the Napa cabbage. And I'm just gonna add this dressing in and mix everything together. So add all the dressing. That's the money right there, the end of it. My old chef used to tell me all the time, that's it. Always scrape that out, it's extra bits. That's the margin. Adding the mint right to it. Cleaning off the board, making sure you're working clean. Making sure I get more on me than I do in the bowl. I'm adding the pea pods. I'm just gonna start mixing that in to make sure everything gets coated well. Try to play a game and keep it in the bowl. Okay, it's really nice like this. So now I can add the rest. I'm gonna add the carrots. I'm gonna add the bean sprouts. I'm gonna add the other shaved cabbage. Oh man, I'm gonna try to have to keep this in the bowl. And then I'm gonna add the purple cabbage. Here's where you wish you had a 5-gallon bucket to mix it in. Because it just makes a freaking mess. And I have a huge bunch of, being in quarantine, I'm allowed to have a lot of people over. Not. So I'm gonna be eating coleslaw for the next foreseeable future. So the nice thing about the dressing is that you're gonna wanna let this sit for a few minutes, at least 30 minutes to an hour before you service. You can eat it right away. It's nice just like it is, but the more it sits, the more flavor that's gonna get, and the more the vegetables will wilt and become more coleslaw-y. Okay. So I think that is gonna do it for me. I will put this into a nice bowl and clean up my hands, and I'll be right back. It's good. Just transferring it into a nice, more servable bowl that will hold this big truckload of coleslaw. I think I'm gonna take a bath and sit in there with this and eat it. So I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of this fresh coriander, cilantro for us Americans, coriander for us British people. A little bit here. Now you don't have to, you can garnish it with the mint. I just happen to use all the mint in the dressing. My mistake, my bad. And then also, because it's spicy, I wanna make sure people know it's fresh. Look at that, looks great with a nice red pop on there. Delicious. All right guys, so there you have it. This is our wicked Asian style coleslaw. Spicy, delicious, amazing. You're gonna love it. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you like it. I hope you're being safe and all the fun stuff we are doing to be in quarantine. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Where is it? Where is it? I just bought it. All right. Okay. You ready? Yeah. You ready? All right. Okay. All right.